learn how people are.
Well, hon, that's the thing.
She was making me do stuff and I shouldn't have listened to her. But you know how, like, sometimes people listen just because they're friends with you and your friends say, I dare you to do this. If you don't do it, you're chicken or you're out the group. It was a situation like that.
Yeah, I've had those moments too, you know.
And it's hard for you to just say to your friend no because they're going to keep bothering you about it if you don't, and that's what the case was. But I realize now, just because a person tells you to do something and they say, oh, I'm not going to be your friend anymore if you don't, it means they're not your friend.
Yep.
What they're trying to do is make you do something to see you get in trouble so they can laugh about it, and that's what she did. And when she started doing that stuff a lot, that's what made our friendship go down, so I stopped being friends with Jardine too. And it was getting worse around last summer. And that was like around the time before I had